Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is an amethyst inspired look, and it is a collab that I am doing with a bunch of ladies from Facebook, and these are the ladies that I collabed with. We decided to do an amethyst inspired collab because amethyst is the birthstone for February. To create this look, I used these two throwback Urban Decay palettes, the Naked Basics 2 palette. This is still available, and the Urban Decay Vice Limited Edition palette. This is not available anymore, but I'm pretty sure the shadows that I used are single shadows, so I'll link those down below. If not, then I'm really sorry, but hopefully they are singles, but I'm pretty sure they are. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. The first palette I'm going to be using is the Urban Decay Naked Basics 2, and I'm going in with Stark and just putting this in the crease. This you can't really see, but it's a really good transition shade. Next, I'm going in with Stark and Primal, and I am putting this in the crease. Now, this one took a lot of blending, and I tried to show as much as I could. It was just a lot. So for this look, I was really uninspired. Like, I didn't know what to do, and purple is my favorite color, and I love working with purples. So I really hope you guys like the look I created. I really do, but I was just so inspired. I don't know why. It was really, really weird. Next, I'm going in with Stark, Primal, and Undone, and I am popping this in the crease. Again, this shade as well was a lot of blending. So I tried to show a good little chunk of it. It was just a lot, and I didn't want to bore you guys with all the blending that I did, because I was blending for a very, very long time. Also, if you see my mouth moving at all, I am listening to Ariana Grande's album, Thank You Next. I'm not talking to anyone. You're not missing anything important. So I'm just still blending out Stark, Primal, and Undone. Now I'm going back in with just Undone, and I'm putting it on the outer V with a dome brush, just because I really wanted it there for what I'm going to do with the next shades that I'm going to be using. And now I'm just blending everything out with my Morphe M330 brush. I always forget the name of this one, just to make sure everything is all good. Now I'm going in with the limited edition Vice palette, and I'm taking Freak Show first on a brush and putting this about, I guess, like halfway-ish. I'm blending it with Undone. And then I'm just really blending this out and layering it. I should have used my finger, but I felt like if I didn't use my finger, or if I did use my finger, the shadow wouldn't be as precise as I wanted it. So now I'm just going in with my finger to blend Undone and Freak Show together. Next shade I'm going to use is HooDoo, again from the limited edition Vice palette. And I'm just pretty much doing the same thing using a brush, and I'm putting it more towards like the inner corner and blending it together with Freak Show. I felt like it was a nice gradient between like light and dark purple, and it kind of just reminded me of an amethyst because there's multiple shades of purple in an amethyst, if you saw one ever. So now I'm just going back and blending everything out. And now to add, like, I feel like there's a little bit of silver in amethysts. I'm using this NYX glitter liner in Crystal Gunmetal, and just putting this in the inner corner, or not in the inner corner, in my crease, starting at the inner corner, just so when I look down and blink, it's like a little pop of something fun. Again, this kind of reminded me of an amethyst because the outside is like that grayish, those gray shades, and then there's like that lighter shade, and then the purple inside. And now I'm just going to go do the rest of my face off camera, and I am back. And for lips today, I'm using this NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Embellishment. This shade, I love it. I think it's gorgeous, but you really have to build it up a whole lot just to get it the right shade. And then after I apply this, I'm patting it because that's what you should just always do with these so they don't get super dry on you. Then I'm just going in with this clear gloss from e.l.f. and I'm putting this on top just to add a little something, because again, they're very drying lip products, these things. And this is the completed look. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Go check out everyone that I collabed with. All of their videos will be linked down below in the description box as well. I'll probably put them above the products listed. If not, then they're under the products listed, but they're going to be in the description box. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.